When going through a divorce, one of the first things that you will do is fill out an intake form and/or questionnaire from your attorney. And those forms are what the attorney uses to prepare your case and to get the information needed to prepare your complaint, your answer, your counterclaim, and various other processes in the divorce action. One of the biggest problems we have as lawyers is we give these intake forms and these questionnaires to the client, and the client doesn't fill them out. We understand that sometimes clients think this is busy work. It's not. If you don't give us the information and don't completely and accurately fill out these forms, we don't have the information that only you know the answers to. We need to know where you live, how many children you have, what your net worth is, how much debt and obligations you have, things like that. And if you don't tell us, then we are only as good as the information that we receive from the client. And so if you don't give us a complete and accurate picture of your situation, we can't give the opposing side and the court a complete and accurate picture of your situation, which means you could end up suffering. You might end up not getting the child custody or parent time award that you want for failing to provide your attorney with that information. The court may decide to do something that would otherwise work in your favor, but works against you because you didn't provide the information your attorney needs to get that information and those facts across to the court so the court can make a fully informed and just equitable decision. When you get your intake forms and questionnaires from your attorney, whether it's us or any other attorney, please understand that that's for the sake of getting the information that they need to help you. Also, understand that filling out these forms is much less expensive than having to make appointments to come to the attorney's office and meet with your attorney for hours on end, sometimes many days in a row, just trying to get the information by speaking to you. When you fill it out, that's on your time. You don't get billed by your attorney for filling out the form on your time. That's why the forms, questionnaires, intake sheets have been prepared. That also gives you a way to organize your thoughts, make sure you have all your information in one place, and therefore your attorney has the same thing. So please, when you get these questionnaires, when you get these intake forms, make sure you complete them fully, accurately, and on time. There are many things that are deadline driven in the practice of family law. So when your attorney says, I need this back in 3 days or 10 days, understand that attorney is not doing that because the attorney is simply impatient. That attorney has certain deadlines that are set by the rules and by the court that they need your compliance with so they can get things done and complete and polished and make the best arguments possible to the court.